Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. This is Soundbar, okay, and Soundbar T450, okay. I ordered this from online from Corys here in United Kingdom, okay. So we're going to try to connect this and see what the sound looks like, okay. So basically this is the battery, okay, that came with this. We're going to connect the battery, okay, and work this out. So the battery goes, this is the remote control. To install the battery, you need to push this remote control down, okay. So push it down, okay. You need to make sure you push it down, okay, yeah, and pull it out. There we go. So we're going to negative this way, and the positive goes that way. So the negative and positive sign, okay. This is 2A battery, okay. And the next thing we need to do is to turn this on. Okay, if you look at the back here, you see that there's a light here, okay. Standby, ID reset, okay. So this is you can reset your ID from the back here, okay. So this is Soundbar, okay. And this one also, okay. Connect this right here, okay. So plug this in here, push it in, okay. You can put USB cable connection, okay. This can connect the USB connection to your PC, okay. Digital audio. This is Samsung Soundbar, okay. So you plug this on, so you put this, can turn this on and off from right here, and okay, D in, okay. So it's off. This is the on and off. So which you can also turn this on. You can also work this out with the remote, okay. So you turn this on, it's saying hello. Okay, so this is what I ordered, Samsung Soundbar, okay. Engineered by Samsung Lab Audio in California. One remote control, smart sound mode, game mode, Bluetooth TV connection, Dolby audio, okay. So, and also at the back here you see link, steady blue light on for Bluetooth. Okay. Need to connect this to the piece, to the tele, okay. This is beautiful stuff. Very nice. Soundbar. I thought to show you what I ordered. This is the remote control. Okay. Beautiful stuff. Okay, you can also stick it here in the middle and hold it together. Okay, so this is the washer. Stick this in the middle. Sorry. Okay. So put the washer in the middle. So what you need to do is stick the washer in the middle, okay, and the washer. The next thing you need to do is then you tighten it up. Okay, this is how to. You need to get a screwdriver to tighten this up. Okay. The moment I'm going to use the scissors. So this is how to connect this. Okay, so this is how this one goes right here, the other one goes over here, okay, and then you tighten it up to hold it together, okay, so that it will stand. Okay, I'm going to get screwdriver. Give me 1 minute, back in a second. So to connect it, so this is how to the screwdriver here, okay, and stick the holder in the middle, and you put the washer. Okay, so this is how to put the Soundbar to hold it together so that it will stand. Okay, this goes right here. Okay. There we go. You can mount this up if you like. Okay, this is how to hold this together. Thank you very much. This is Samsung TV Soundbar. Thank you. You turn this on and off from right here. Okay, thank you.